Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech. If you love cutting-edge gadgets and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into Apple's brand new iPad Pro powered by the M5 chip. We'll explore what's truly new, what's improved, what stayed the same, and whether this might be the ultimate tablet to invest in right now. Stick around, there's a surprise near the end that could change how you think about tablets forever. Let's jump in. From the outside, nothing revolutionary. The 11-inch and 13-inch sizes remain. The sleek design carries over, and on the surface, the iPad Pro doesn't look dramatically different from its predecessor. But what's happening under the hood is where the magic begins. The M5 chip marks a serious leap in performance, AI-ready power, and future-proofing, enough that even longtime iPad owners might consider an upgrade. So what's new? First up, the M5 processor. This isn't just a bit faster. Apple says the performance gains particularly for AI tasks. Graphics and multitasking are in a completely different league. That means whether you're editing 4K video, running creative design software, doing heavy multitasking, or using AI-based apps, this iPad doesn't just handle things, it devours them. Then there's memory and storage. Base models start with 12 gigabytes RAM, a jump from the previous generation's entry-level and the high-end variants. Max out around 16 gigabytes. Storage still ranges from 256 gigabytes up to a massive 2 terabytes. Translation: it won't be bottlenecked for years. Whether you're storing massive video files, large design assets, or running heavy apps, this iPad is built to last. Now, speed isn't limited to just processing and memory. Storage read-write, especially SSD-based tasks, reportedly, hits up to 2 faster than before. Apps load snappier, file transfers zip, and heavy workflows feel. Butter-smooth. Connectivity also gets a major upgrade. Expect Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and next-generation cellular modem support for 5G models, among other advancements. That makes this iPad not just powerful, but more future-ready than almost any tablet on the market. Display and design? The elegant screen remains old, pristine resolution, and Apple seemingly decided the last generation got it right. The form factor is familiar, so existing accessories remain compatible. But everything inside has been buffed and upgraded. So for creatives, professionals, or power users, this feels less like a tablet, more like a portable powerhouse. But, and this is important, not everything rumored made the cut. For those hoping for dramatic external redesign, bezel-less overhaul, or breakthrough new cameras, those didn't materialize this round. It's more about internal evolution than radical reinvention. Now here's where you might want to pay attention for many users. This might be the tablet that finally crosses the bridge from nice device to legitimate laptop desktop replacement. If you're a video editor, a 3D artist, a music producer, a photographer, a content creator, heck, a power productivity user, the performance RAM plus storage plus connectivity combo makes this iPad Pro M5 feel like a serious pro-class machine, while retaining iPad's portability for casual users browsing. Streaming social media, yes, it's powerful, but you might not notice a huge difference from previous generation iPads. Which leads to a core question many will ask: is it worth upgrading? Here's how I see it. If you currently own an older iPad M3 or earlier, or you heavily rely on creative professional workflows, absolutely yes, this is a buy once, stay. Relevant for years kind of device? If you have an M4 iPad Pro and you mostly do casual tasks, maybe not yet. But if you demand future-proof flexibility, big projects, demanding software, heavy multitasking, this is one of the best tablet buys you can make right now, but hold on before you decide. There's a wild card. The world is shifting fast toward AI-enhanced workflows. And with M5's huge bump in AI performance, the next generation of apps AI video editing, real-time generative design, creative AI helpers, smart scheduling, advanced productivity tools may not run smoothly on older hardware. The M5 iPad Pro could become one of the few devices capable of handling that future. Without needing a bulky desktop or a heavy laptop, think about it. Tablet that's slim, portable, and silent, yet powerful enough to rival a desktop workstation. That's not just convenience, it's freedom. And maybe more importantly for many, if you invest now, you're not just buying a device for today. You're buying a platform that can evolve with you. So is this the iPad Pro we've been waiting for? For many people, yes. It may not be flashy on the outside, but on the inside. On the inside, it's a beast. If you're watching this video and thinking, should I wait for next year's model? Consider this. Apple just cranked up the core, bumped memory and storage, upgraded connectivity. It pushed the envelope for what a tablet can be. Unless you want radical design changes, this is probably the most sensible and powerful iPad Pro generation yet. And now, here's your final thought before you scroll to the description. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just a tablet upgrade. What's the kind of device that could replace your laptop, your creative workstation, or even a desktop setup with the convenience of a tablet. If that sounds like a dream you'd want for everyday life or work, this might be the moment to act. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss upcoming videos where we'll test real-world performance, compare with laptops, and see whether this device delivers in daily life. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, stay curious, and keep tapping into the future with TapTech. Peace out.